Here's the app called Senpai Chat AI characters, chat with AI anime characters. So let's just double click to install it, and here it is. So chat with your favorite AI characters, go on immersive dates and adventures, make memories with your characters, craft your own dream characters, explore your fantasies with your favorite characters, immerse yourself in captivating stories and conversations. So yeah, if you're just looking for some alternative to CAI or like Chai AI or whatever, then you can try out this app. It's not that big, but let's see what's happening here. Then you just pick a username. And then here it is. Then you can explore characters. And then you just have different characters. You can just write to them. Then you have some gifts, which you can send gifts. You need diamonds here. And then if you want to listen, you need to buy gems. So that's another thing here. You can then like the character. You can go to character, reset chat. So yeah, it's like very easy, basic app. And so super easy to start. You can delete your account if you want from here. And then there are chats, and just you can create a character as well from top right. So yeah, try it out.